Hi, welcome to you in my channel of Smart Power. Today in this section of video I will discuss about element frequencies, and element frequencies is a common problem to most of the time in interview. Even though in coding challenge it is come as a basic coding to find the duplicate elements. Actually the problem is coming find the duplicate element, or sometimes they ask that find the element which appear more than one times, like this way. So here I will give you back to back 4 solutions. You can take any of that one to solve the problems. So if you have any alternative, you will put the comment section below. So what happened in the first case, I'm doing this thing using collection. So collection, I'm importing the collection. After that, what happened, I'm taking the input from the user. So user will give input at here, okay, and input in string. So maybe it is maybe number or maybe string, but I'm converting the input to string. After that, each of the input should be mapped in a list. So each of the input will be mapped in a list. So after that, what happened, I'm using collection dot counter L. So it will count the number, okay, how many number in the list from there, the items. So each of the item it will be counted, and I'm storing this variable values in a frequency. Now I'm printing these things. So what happened, items for item, I'm coming this thing later. Item frequent freq2, I mean frequency of 2 in frequency, if frequency is 2 greater than 1. So what happened, counter will count, okay, how many number a number is counted. So what happened, if any counter is coming more than 2 times, sorry, more than 1 times, that's why I'm told frequency of 2, if those number from frequencies, I mean from frequencies, if those number are coming more than 1 times, I store this thing in a frequency 2, and I am told that from the frequency 2 I am taking the item. So item for item comma frequency. So from this frequency, those of the item I got, I will display this thing as a result. So let's run the program and see the output. So enter the elements. I will enter the elements, suppose it can be anything. So I'm giving enter here input, sorry, integer first, like 2 comma 5 comma 8 7 4 3 6 9 2. So those are the element. So 2 5 and 4, those are the element, are duplicate element. So it is found. So here is the one benefit that why you will use this code, because if you want to find the element those occurrence more than 2 times, so you will press here 2 and you run the code again and see none of the element are frequency more than 2. So press the element and run the element here. Suppose make it 2 is 2 and make it 5, sorry 5. Now you can see those of the elements are frequencies more than 2. So we'll find the values of frequencies here 1 and 5, it will give us a desired answer. So let's run the program. So when you will run the program, it will say 2 and 5 is occurrences more than 2 times. It's actually because 2 is here 1 2 times and 3 times, that's why 2 is given, and 5 as well 1 times 2 times and 3 times, that's why 5 is also given. So in this case you can show the output that how many times, maybe 1 time, maybe 2 times, maybe 3 times, maybe more than particular and n times, if any things is appeared, so you can print it here. So it is the code of this. Instead of this using any module, you can do this thing in like this way also. It is also very easy. So suppose I'm taking list and set. So in list it will take the list element, in set it will take the set element. Set means a distance element which values is not repeatable. Now for item in L, so in L maybe those of the item is there. So what happened in this item, sorry, I should have to take the input, that's why I should have to uncomment this line L, this one I should have to uncomment this one. So because L will take from user. So if item not in list, so suppose this comes as 2, so 2 obviously not in list, so 2 will be appended like this way. What happened, let's see uh, here as well. So first happened 2 will be appended at here. Now 3 5 will come, so 5 not in list, so 5 also appended at here. Now 8 will come, 8 will be appended at here. Now 7 will come and 7 will be appended at here. Now 4 will come and 4 will be appended at here. And now 3 will come and 3 will be appended at here. Now sorry, 3 will be appended at here. Now when the 6 will come, 6 will be appended at here. Now 2 will come, then check, see if item not in list, so already item in list, so it will not be satisfied for the second case when the 2 will come again in this 2. Okay, 2 will come, so 2 already in list, so it will goes to the else condition, set dot add item. So I will add the set item at here. So in set item we will get 2 here. Now in 5 already 5 is there, so it will come as here and 5 will be appended. Now 2, sorry, again 2 will come. So what happens, see 2 already in the list and 2 already in the set, so it will not add this item because set only takes the distinct element, because set in 2 is there, so it will not add the 2 again, trust me. Now what happened, 5 will come, 5 always already in the list, so it will not happen in the list, and 5 already in the set, so 5 will not append in the set as well. Now 4 will come, so 4 is already in the list, so 4 will not append to the list, 4 will append it to the set. So we will get the answer for this, that those element are duplicate element in this case. So let's see, run the program. So get the same answer. Yeah, 5 4 and 2, those are the duplicate element. See, those of the are the duplicate element, as I told, 5 4 and 2. Why it is given answer like this way, because set always give an answer in decrement way. So decrement answer it is giving from large values to the, I mean, least values. So that's the problems. You can use this way as well. So which procedure you will like, so you can, I have another one as well. Please stay in touch. I will go to the next problem now. Sorry. Yeah, should have to manually do it. Yeah, it is the problem for that. If you want to find an alternative way, you can use this one also, using collections. So what happened, I'm using here functions, so return collection dot counter array, so it will count number of arrays from there. So here using the main function, in the main function I'm giving the array here, you can give that from the user input, no problem. And I'm storing the frequencies the counter array, it will store the frequencies, those of the number have frequencies. How is the frequencies, that the frequencies I'm taking as in dictionary form, that the key and value in frequencies dot items. So it will take key as a values, and sorry, key is the number and values is the number of frequencies, how many times they're frequent. So let's run the program and see, it is a nice manner. 2 appear 2 times, 3 appear 1 times, 5 appear 3 times, 4 appear 2 times, like this way it is giving the answer. So in this array, check, suppose 2 is 1 times and 2 times, that's why 2 is 2 times, so it is giving the form in a key value pair. So you can use this code as well, so no problem. Instead of that, another code also there, so it is a very promising and very, I mean, very reliable. I like this code, I got the answer later. So actually what happened, we will take a number. So what happened, you will first take the distance element, whatever the distance element is there. So distance, set cannot take any duplicate elements, so we will convert the list to a set. So we are converting L to set first, after that we are converting it list again. So LL become a list. Those where it in the list, it will take the distance element only. So what happened for L in LL, I means each of the number, I mean distance number in LL, and it is L dot count I. Count I means the appearance of I, how many times it is appeared. So it will give the answer. So let's see, 2 here 1 times. So from where I'm taking, so actually let me discuss for what will happen in this case. In LL store the distance element. Distance element means 2 5 7 8 24. 2 5 7 8 24, those are the distance element we will store in LL. Now 2, it will come as a 2 L dot count. So 2 appear how many times in L? It will count from there. So 2 appear in L. L is here. 2 appear in L. How many times? No, only 1 times. Now the next will come 5. 5 appear how many times? 5 appear 2 times. Let's see, 5 appear 1 time and 2 times. That's why it gives the answer. It is like this way. So it is the very promising code. I think it is the very good. You should have to run this one. If you have alternative solution or anything else, you can put this thing in your comment section below, and please like, hit subscribe and press the bell, notification bell for new updates. So actually it is give me motivations and inspirations, so when you will subscribe my channel and press the like button. So I think you fully understand, and have a nice day. Goodbye.